Hello, good morning viewers. Today we are going to be discussing the types of numbers. And here I have the 7 types of numbers. Number 1, we have natural number and it's denoted by the symbol n. So what are these natural numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers. And we count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on to infinity. We count from 1. So 0 is not a natural number. That is number 1. Number 2, we have whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by the symbol W. And these whole numbers are numbers which do not contain fraction in them. That is, for example, we have 1 as a whole number. If we have something as 1.2, this is not a whole number. 1, 1, 2. This is one whole number, 1 whole number, 1 over 2. This is 1.5. It's not a whole number. We need any number that is to be a whole number must be complete. It must not have any fraction or decimal with it. So we have example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. We have number 3, integers. Integers are denoted by the symbol Z. What are these integers? Integers are positive or negative whole numbers. That is, they are whole numbers which are either positive or negative. Where you can see I have here as -1, 1, -3, -4, and so on and so forth. We have rational number 4. Rational numbers are denoted by the symbol Q. And these are numbers which can be written as fractions. For example, we have a decimal number here. And you might be wondering why I said fractions. Yes, this is a decimal, but it can be written as a fraction. That is 2 over 10. And we can also simplify further to give you 1 over 5. That is 0.2 can be written as 2 over 10 or 1 over 5. And we have here 1 over 2. That is half. 1 over 2 can also be written as 0.5. 0.5. That means half and half. It's the same thing. Now we have irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted by the symbol P. Irrational numbers, just like the rational numbers, it is the opposite. Irrational numbers are numbers which cannot be written as fractions. For example, pi and √2. It cannot be written as a fraction. Now number 6, we have real numbers. Real numbers are denoted by the symbol R. And all numbers are real numbers. So far they have, real numbers are numbers which have limits. That is, if we have a number, for example, 0.5. 0.5 is within the range of 0.4 and 0.6. That is, any number that has a range of values is always a real number. 1 is a real number because it's in between 0 and 2. Or 1 can be in between 0.9 and 1.1. 1 is in between, so it's also a real number. And all numbers are real numbers. So number 7, we have complex numbers. Complex numbers have a symbol C. These numbers are one important numbers in mathematics. So they are gotten from the roots of negative numbers. I'll be doing a video explaining how to work with complex numbers. But
thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.